Hi. The secrets to cheap poultry feed. Save money and boost profit. Are you tired of spending too much on feed? Do you know that feed costs can take up to 60 to 70% of your total farming expenses? If you are looking for a way to cut costs, increase profit margins, and keep your birds healthy, you have come to the right video. This particular video is for you. In this video, I will review 15 powerful secrets to making high quality, low cost feed that will transform your farming business. Whether you are raising broilers, layers, or free range chickens, these strategies will help you a lot to reduce feed expenses by 30 to 50%, boost growth and egg production, use natural and affordable ingredients, prevent waste and optimize nutrition. From do-it-yourself feed recipes to start making high-quality feed, smart feeding techniques, local ingredient sourcing, and free-range solutions, you will learn practical, easy-to-apply methods to maximize efficiency in your poultry farm. So don't miss out in this particular video. I will gladly advise you to watch the video till the end so that you get the best from it. If you have any comments on this particular video, drop it on the comment section. I will also guide you more. If this particular video is interesting to you, this topic is good for you, give it a thumb up right now before you even go into the main video. Give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. 15 secrets to cheap poultry feed. Number 1 is make use of local ingredients. As a poultry farmer, you have village market, you have community, other township market or village market. There is a market in your area, and people come from very far places, bring their grains, and you know that poultry feed is made up of grains, either soya grain, wheat, corn, and others. That particular local market, you always get feed materials cheaper there, because most of all these farmers that comes from far place with their products, during the closing time, if they have not sold anything, they would like to sell at a giveaway price for them to get transport to convey themselves back. So during the closing time, go and buy in large quantity. They will be glad to sell to you at a cheaper rate, and you will make more reserves. So buy grains, corn, and other protein sources like soya bean from local farmers to save cost and transportation and middlemen cost. Remember that when the middlemen buy these things in large quantity, they go and stock it in their store. You now come there and buy at a very high cost. But if you are buying from the farmers, it will be cheaper for you. That's how we buy here. We buy from the farmers directly, and it is lower. The second one is grow your own feed. The ones you know you can cultivate. Most of the grains you know you can cultivate in your own farm around your environment. Even some of the extracts for those of you in organic poultry farming, so that you don't need to buy medications from the market again, like bitter leaf, ginger, scent leaf, moringa, neem, and others. Please plant them around your environment. This is going to help you to reduce the cost of medication. Number 2, grow your own feed. Cultivate maize, soya bean, moringa, and sweet potatoes to reduce reliance on expensive commercial feed. Next one is number 3. Ferment your feed. Soaking and fermenting feed improves digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and reduces overall feed consumption. So always ferment your feed. This is going to add more value to that particular ingredient. Mix your own feed formula. Develop your own feed formula that is cheaper and cost effective for you. Purchasing raw ingredients in bulk in your own balanced poultry feed can save you up to 50% on the cost of feeding your poultry animals. Utilize kitchen and farm waste. Most of all these waste from your kitchen that you throw away can be converted into feed, like yam peas, cassava peas, potato peas, onion peas, and rest of them. All these can be converted to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry birds also. We have been doing it, and it's working very well. Feed chickens vegetable scraps, fruit peas, and leftover grains instead of throwing them away. It's not good as a poultry farmer. This black soldier fly larva. use those wastes from your poultry house and use them to raise black soldier larvae. These protein-rich larvae are a fantastic and affordable alternative to fish meal and soya bean meal. You know that fish meal is one of the most costly ingredients in making poultry feed. So if you can use the black soldier fly larva you develop in your farm that is almost at a zero cost and get this protein source. Black soldier larva has up to 45% crude protein. You can use it to reduce the cost on fish meal, and this is going to help you to save a lot of cost. Grow azolla and duckweed. If you have not watched my video on the use of weed in feeding your poultry and livestock, go and watch it now so that you know how to use azolla and duckweed. These fast-growing water plants are high in protein and can replace costly supplements. So make use of them. Use termites and earthworms, a free and natural protein source that improves chicken growth without extra cost. You can get them within your environment. Prevent feed waste. Use proper feeders, reduce spillage, and avoid overfeeding to minimize unnecessary feed loss. This is going to cost you a lot if you allow the chicken to be wasting your feed. I have seen this in many farms I visit. They allow the chicken to be wasting their feed. They will feed the whole container, and chicken will eat and use leg and scatter the whole thing on the floor. And those feed will not be converted because they are already on the floor. Free range and grazing is another one. Let your chickens roam and forage for insects, weed, and grains, cutting down on purchased feed. So if you have a very wide environment, at times you allow your chickens to come out and graze on their own, provided you have a very good biosecurity. Buy feed ingredients in bulk. Buying in bulk will reduce the cost of transportation per each of the product, and is going to help you reduce the cost of feeding your poultry. Buying in large quantity lowers cost. Mix charcoal and wood ash. Adding small amounts to feed helps digestion, prevent infection, and improves feed efficiency also. The next one is feed chickens at the right time. This is very important. Feeding early in the morning and late in the afternoon prevents waste and improve nutrient absorption. This is the time the chickens need the feed most. When you give it to them that time, they rush the feed and they make sure they eat the feed and convert it for you. Always balance protein, energy, vitamins, and minerals in your feed to ensure healthy and productive birds. Please, all these secrets are very important for you to gain as a poultry farmer. Which of these secrets are you using? Let me know on the comment section. Let's discuss there. If this video is interesting to you and you have gained little knowledge from it, please give the thumb up, share this video to reach more farmers, and drop your comment on the comment section. If you have any question regarding feed formulation, feed reduction, and cost-effective poultry feeding and feed formula, do you want me to develop any formula for you? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know. So for now, share this video. Let's get started from here. Start from reducing the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. For now, till the next video uploaded.